Remedies presents how to boost your immunity with this herbal decoction. So what is decoction? It is a concentrated mixture that you get as a result of heating or boiling a substance, especially a medicinal preparation made from a plant. It is also known as Kadha in Ayurveda and is used since ancient times to treat cold, flu and seasonal infections by increasing body's natural immunity. So today I will share with you a recipe of a decoction. You can easily make it at your home. Giloy, neem and tulsi decoction. Ingredients: neem leaves 7 to 8, holy basil leaves 5 to 6, giloy 2 stems, branches. Scientific name of giloy is Tinospora cordifolia. Water 1 cup. Directions: peel the giloy branches, chop it and crush it with neem and holy basil leaves. By adding some water, mix 1 cup of water to it and boil it over medium heat until it is reduced to half. Strain it and drink it as it is a little warm, not too hot. You can have it once a day after lunch or dinner. About the ingredients: giloy. Giloy helps remove toxins, purifies blood, fights bacteria that causes diseases and also combats liver diseases and urinary tract infections. Giloy is used by experts in treating heart-related conditions and is also found useful in treating infertility. Neem. Neem helps boost your immune system while cooling down your body internally. Neem also has blood-purifying properties. Tulsi. Tulsi contains unique antioxidants and micronutrients that may provide powerful immune protection from free radical damage and increase the body's capacity to fight against disease and infections. So guys, I recommend all of you to try this. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.